All right, gas services, which is low pressure, which is elevated pressure? Bill Bissonette.
So you got the pressure regulator right there. So that was obviously elevated.
Pressure regulator coming out of the ground. So this is coming in probably somewhere intermediate pressure, elevated pressure, high pressure, getting kicked down to a half PSI right off of there. If you didn't know, you see something like this, it means it's already low pressure off the street. All you got is about 7 to 9 inches water column. So this is where you have to be careful. This is what a lot of plumbers miss, especially in the day and age here. We're talking about Renais and Navians, and we're up at 200,000 BTUs. They need to maintain a certain pressure at the inlet of the gas valves. Sometimes these low pressure systems can be a problem. So when you're going to give a price, take a walk around the house and go, you know what, you got low pressure gas. We should really check what is the pressure coming in off the street. If it's in the summertime, it's going to be a little bit higher than it's going to be in January, February, December, and March. You could do a little bit of homework there. Call some people, ask some questions, because you don't want to put a gas appliance in a building that requires a particular PSI on the inlet side as a constant and not be able to maintain that pressure. Just kind of a little heads up piece. It's where your awareness comes in, whether you can understand what you're looking at and how it's going to affect your craft and your trade.